One of the most charming nuggets of French history revolves around Leonardo da Vinci. It turns out he belongs as much to the French as he does to the Italians. Clos Lucé, the chateau where he spent the final years of his life, sits tucked away on a hillside in the tiny Loire village of Amboise. There, the artist is revealed at work, at home, and at ease. Despite its famous inhabitants, the Clos has very little English language literature set within its rooms. I fell in love from first blush, and Woman on the Wall finds itself set in the heart of it all because of it. We step into the space and watch for love notes on the wings of ever-present pigeons, and the queens in the halls steal our breath in hopes of telling their tales. Beyond them, Mother Mary watches over the cool stone chapel. Those ceilings, as if Da Vinci painted them himself. Around the next bend, his private spaces are a romantic immersion in Renaissance magic. From his paintings to his writings to the view from his window, it's all beautiful. Da Vinci shared his home with the indomitable Marguerite de Navarre when she traveled to see her brother, King François Ier. He also created many of the precursors for weapons that would level armies hundreds of years later in this very space. And while life inside the Clos offers a peek into Da Vinci's private world, it is the gardens that are the true gentle kiss on both cheeks. In the easy light of the afternoon sun, it is enchanté and au revoir all at once, a true French experience.